All right, guys, this is Chris from Throdle. We're here with Kaylee, and this is her FR-S, B-O-Z, one of the two. We never know. Tell us about your car.
So my car is a 2013 Scion FR-S, forged internals with a Kraftwerk C38 Supercharger on a 75 shot of nitrous, and then she's on an airlift system, 3P from Airlift Performance. She has all the bolt-ons from Skunk2 Performance. I got a Status Racing custom seats, Galaxy wrap done by Smokey's Garage, one-of-a-kind clear hood.
And you had a recent TV appearance, right?
Yeah, I just got off of All Girls Garage, and then I just won the cover of PASMAG and Tuner Battlegrounds.
Yeah.
So you'll see me on the next issue of PASMAG.
So, and if people want to follow you on Instagram?
You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok at 86_Nebula.
Do you have a Throdle account?
Now I will.
You better get one. Wow. All right, let's do a quick walk around the car. Got the Wang gang. This car does drag races, like it wins all the drag races. And this is her. This is actually an award from not for best car show, the fastest car. And it's female driven, female built. So. Hey guys, don't forget to follow us on Throdle. We're gonna do some more footage around Elite Tuner here in Vegas. Vegas has opened back up. We're over here at Area 15 and perform. We're gonna more car show stuff, more content this summer. Peace out.